23&Me.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to
Y'all, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and our results are in. Woo! I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, hold on. I have to look at mine on my computer because y'all are using my phone. So, all right, time to look at the results. Okay, so we're gonna do mine first, and then we'll tell you about hers. So mine says Sub-Saharan African, 49%. And then it breaks it down into Ghanaian, Liberian. Sorry, I don't know how to say these things. And Sierra Leonean, 13.2%. Nigerian, 11.6. Senegabian and Guinean, 3.8. Broadly West African, 8.1. And then it says I'm Congolese and Southern East African, 9.4%.
There's a lot.
She's like running through hers already.
Because it's
and I
weird.
see her peeking over
because
like
ours is literally the same, and I don't know if it's because I'm older. I have like everything she has, I have, but way more than her.
yeah, your percentage.
Some of them are double of hers.
Yeah, her percentage of Sub-Saharan African is what, 51.7, and mine is just 49.
But the biggest one is the Nigerian. You're 11.6. I'm 27.6. That's wild.
Do you remember when I said maybe we don't have the same fathers?
We have to. Because
Why?
we have literally, I'm looking at yours and we have exactly the same, just different amounts of it.
But how do you have different amounts of it and you come from the same human?
Because it's like, I'm the firstborn.
So they're giving different amounts from different parts of their DNA.
But it's
coming to
slowly
me.
dying, not like, I don't know.
We need to research how DNA works. We should have done that beforehand. Anyways, so Congolese and Southern East African, 9.4%. And then it breaks it down into Angolan and Congolese is 7.7. Broadly Congolese and Southern East African is 1.7. African hunter gatherer 0.5. I'm kind of salty that's not more than that.
I don't got any of that.
You don't?
That one, the African hunter, I don't have that at all.
And then it says broadly Sub-Saharan African 2.4.
But like those ones, it's weird.
Mira.
Because the tops, I'm more of everything, but at the bottoms of that, I have like 0.6, 0.6, 1.6, and you're
My
like,
African hunter one.
I don't have that on here.
Oh.
So where the fuck you get that from?
My other daddy.
Okay.
I don't know what to tell you.
Then go to European.
Now, it says that I am 34.9% European. It says Southern European 22.9. Then it says Spanish and Portuguese is 14.6, or 14.5. Sorry. Italian is 1.0%. Broadly Southern European is 7.4. Northwestern European 6%. Says British and Irish is 1.6. You know, I thought my mom was lying.
I'm 2.7.
When she said that we had Irish in us.
We're gonna continue.
French and German is 0.7. Broadly Northwestern European 3.7.
I'm not French or German.
And then it's you're not French or German?
Mm-mm.
How?
It's not on mine.
Okay, and then it says Ashkenazi Jewish is 1.3. And then broadly European, I am 4.7. And then there's another one. It says, so then it says East Asian and Native American is 9.1. Native American 7.1. Chinese and Southeast Asian is 0.3. Filipino and Austronesian is 0.1%. Broadly Chinese and Southeast Asian is 0.2%. And then it says broadly East Asian and Native American 1.7%.
But mine, the only difference that I have is Indonesian, Thai, is that Khmer, and Myanmar? I'm 0.6.
Myanmar.
But you don't have that at all in yours.
That's weird. Can somebody comment down below why we don't have, like, why one of us has something and then one of us doesn't? Because we're supposed to have the same mother and the same father. Like, I know you get different amounts of DNA from each parent, but it's just like, where is it coming from?
But I feel like if one chromosome, one is more dominant than the other, maybe like this one you got more of this and this one just wash that one out. I don't know, but I don't know what.
See, so I'm definitely ignorant to this information. So comment down below, help us out. We're gonna try to do some research, but if you know something, go ahead. So then it says Western Asian and North African is 2%. North African 1.1. Broadly Western Asian North African is 0.9%.
I have another one.
It says trace ancestry, and then it says.
But look, I have something extra that you don't.
Anatolian.
Well, mine has 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and you only have 2 points. So, oh, because that's under there, I have Northern West Asian.
Northern West Asian, North African. Mine says broadly Western.
No, mine says broadly Western too. Okay.
That's weird. Hold on, I want to click this button.
Sure, I did too.
It says trace. There's like a gray area where it says trace ancestry. It says we detected traces of the following populations in your DNA. Read more about trace ancestry in the FAQ. It says broadly Central and South Asian, 0.2%.
Mine has one extra, Southern Indian and Sri Lankan.
This is interesting.
Okay, what's this unassigned?
And we're the only ones that are like, we can't even compare to anybody.
That's crazy. Oh wait, sorry, I'll let you say that.
Yeah, you're going ahead. My unassigned, I want to look at the unassigned one.
Mine doesn't say anything.
It says there is a wide range. Yeah, unassigned, it's right there. 5.4.
I'm saying, but it doesn't say what it is.
This is a wide range of human diversity in the world. Sometimes algorithm is unable to. Okay, so I'm not even gonna waste my time with that. Okay, recent ancestry in the Americas. It says Caribbean, Ponce, Puerto Rico, Santiago Province, Dominican Republic. I'm gonna click on that, the Caribbean one. Does that mean it just took me to a whole nother, did it take you to a whole nother world?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it just went to like a different page. I'm gonna show you guys all this, like it'll be right here.
And then mine did
it says Puerto Rico has 78 administrative regions, and we found the strongest evidence of your ancestry in the following 10 regions: Ponce, San Juan, Utuago, Acebo, Mayagüez. I've been to Mayagüez, Ponce, and San Juan. Lares, Aguadilla, Caguas, Claro. I knew that Caguas because our family's there right now. San Sebastian and Yaco.
Mine has different.
What did you say?
These two.
You said Jayuya.
Oh, y
Caguas también.
Yeah.
San Sebastian, mine has that too.
Okay.
And it says Dominican Republic, likely match. The Dominican Republic has 32 administrative regions, and we found the strongest evidence of your ancestry in the following 5 regions: Santiago Province, Distrito Nacional, Espaillat, Province, Valverde, Province, Hermanas, Maribal, Province. We did not detect enough evidence of your recent ancestry from Antigua and Barbuda, Aruba, the Bahamas.
Antigua.
Yeah. Man, bro, where am I supposed to go? What are you talking about?
Go, scroll back.
Down?
No, up. Push the back button. We're family and maybe not family and friends. Mine was your family tree.
Am I not on it?
You're not on it, but there's people on mine.
That you know?
No, it says my second cousin. I don't know who they are.
Wait, what do you mean?
So I'm seeing it just...
No, there's got to be something wrong with it.
Family tree right there. If you have her on yours, then we're related.
Who's her?
The girl that's on mine.
This, do I click this?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to know the answer if you're not related to me.
Welcome to your family tree. But maybe because you didn't participate in it. I did.
Okay.
I'm gonna pop up, sis. I'm gonna pop up.
You better. I would be like literally, that would open up. Look, Mira, if she's not related to me, if she's not my full blood sister, that would open up a whole nother can of worms.
Well, like mom's dead, so.
Exactly. So we have nobody to ask questions to.
What's it say?
Hey!
We're sisters, bitches.
Yes. It
Okay.
says that you're my half sister, though. Why are you my half sister?
What? Wait, mine doesn't show at all.
Refresh it. Welcome to your family tree.
Wait, why would we have sisters?
Because that means we both came from mom's vagina, but you didn't come from dad's ball sack.
That says Marcellus Young.
Is my half brother. He is my half brother because
Yeah.
he came from my father.
But why is his showing on yours and mine's not his not showing on mine?
Frankie,
Oh wait, because
that would mean that dad is not your. Refresh it.
I just did. Oh no, this is not right.
Okay, go back because you're over
Okay.
here. She got me freaking out.
You know, they're not my siblings.
Frank, you're lying.
It shows all of them. My family, my second cousin Navarro. I know that person, and Marcellus is not on my list.
You have to be lying.
Yeah, Marcellus is not on my list at all. It says we're half sisters.
This was literally supposed to be a joke. Like, you're supposed to be my full sister, and what does that even mean?
I don't know. Why are you crying?
Because I'm an emotional person.
Well, how do you think I feel not knowing that my sister and my brother are not my siblings?
This can be.
That's weird.
I have Arlene Navarro too, and she's
I have all
my.
them, but
That's
not
because
my brother.
mom. That's mom.
Where?
There's no freaking way. Who does stuff like this?
Oh, Tiana's busy right now. And Bro's sleeping. Dang, that's wild.
That makes me sad. That like literally makes me really
Maybe
sad.
that's why. Should we call Gary? Yeah, it has to be right because Mar popped up on yours.
I don't want to do this anymore.
I mean, you're the one who wanted to do it, bro. Yeah, the fact that we're 25% siblings.
That's not funny.
Well, I feel like you take it different, but it's like you at least know that Gary's your father,
And what you just
and I don't know
yours.
my whole entire half of my life.
That is sad.
I don't care.
Oh my
I don't.
god.
But let me see if I have any relatives that you don't have. Oh my god, I have someone from my dad's side on here.
Our dad?
No, my dad. Not your dad. My dad on this side. Wait, how come it won't show me?
This is I don't like this. How are you just
Man, I'm about to call everybody. I'm about to call Martino, bro.
I need you down, you guys.
Please stop.
Okay. So let's close up. Okay, so this is sad.
Okay, she's very dramatic, y'all, as you can see.
No.
I feel like I should be how she's crying. I feel like it should be flipped, but like I don't
Because
really care.
she's
So
literally supposed to be my sister, and you're not. Like my full sister. That's sad to me. So
she's very emotional.
I made a joke before the video last time. This is so annoying.
Okay, I will close it out. So we're half sisters, and she's more triggered that I don't know my own father. I don't know why, but
Because it's sad. That's why.
maybe she had her reasons.
I don't give a flying.
Like I know it affects
literally.
you, but at the end of the day, it affects me more.
And what? So I can't be a mom?
No, I'm not saying that because we're sisters. Me and Tiana Marcellus are not.
Oh my god.
So now I only have, well, that I know of. I can have siblings that I don't even know.
You got ripped off. Let's try this again. Okay, you guys. So we got some surprising results. I joked in the last video of we're gonna see if she's really my sister, just because she doesn't. She's the only sibling who doesn't look like my father, like my brother and sister do. Anyways, from what we can understand through 23&Me, please comment down below that we are reading this wrong some freaking way.
It literally says half siblings. I reset mine. She's showing, my brother's not showing. So
my brother is showing, my brother through my dad is showing on mine, which I'll make sure like I put it in the middle for you to see, but he's not showing on hers, which means she's my half sister and she's not my full sister like I thought she was. And mom took some shit to the grave. Don't recommend doing this. Don't try to find out. If
you should know your ancestries, especially what if you're sick or something. I can't get nothing from my father's side that I know. I would recommend doing it. She's just salty right now. She'll get over it.
Because this is the one person that wasn't supposed to lie to us lied, and I don't appreciate it. So anyways, go ahead and get it done. If you don't think that, go ahead, get it done. Get the information you need. I am salty. I know she's got to be salty, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. This wasn't fun for me, like at all. I'm sure it was worse for her.
No, it's not to me, because I feel like I'm already old enough. Like I'm old, I'm 28, so it's like
trying to change my attitude about it. It's not working. I hope y'all have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. I hope your results didn't do what it did to us. I'll see you on the next video.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.